In this video, I am going to discuss electric current and types of electric current. Electric current is flow of charge per unit time through cross-sectional area of wire. Electric current is represented by I, and I is equal to Q by T. Q is amount of charge and T is time. If 1 coulomb of charge pass through a conductor in 1 second, then the amount of current passing through the conductor is 1 ampere. There are two types of electric current, DC current and AC current. DC current is type of electric current in which both the magnitude and direction of electric current remain constant with time, while AC current is type of electric current in which both the magnitude and direction of current varies with time. Now we are going to discuss DC current in detail. In case of DC current, both the magnitude and direction of electric current remain constant with time. What is meaning by constant magnitude and direction? By constant magnitude of current, we mean that current do not rise or fall with time. Current remain constant. And by constant direction, we mean that flow of charges takes place in just one direction, from negative terminal to positive terminal or from positive terminal to negative terminal. Similarly, in case of DC, the magnitude and direction of voltage also remain constant. By constant magnitude of voltage, we mean that the amount of voltage, the value of voltage remain static, remain constant. And by constant direction, we mean that the polarity of DC source do not change with time. The polarities remain fixed throughout the time. So in case of DC source, both the magnitude and direction of current and voltage remain constant with time. There are two types of DC current: electronic current and conventional current. Electronic current is flow of negative charges from negative terminal of the battery to positive terminal of the battery, while conventional current is flow of positive charges from positive terminal of the battery to negative terminal of the battery. Now we are going to see AC current, which we normally use at our homes. In case of AC source, both the magnitude and direction of current changes with time. By changing magnitude of the current, we mean that the amount of current passing through the conductor rise and fall. And by changing direction, we mean that charges oscillate back and forth. Current do not flow in single direction. Similarly, the magnitude and direction of voltage also changes with time. By changing magnitude of AC voltage, we mean that the amount of voltage between these two terminals rise and fall with time. And by changing direction of AC voltage, we mean that the polarity of these two terminals changes with time. The number of times polarities changes per second is called frequency of AC. So in case of AC source, both the magnitude and direction of current and voltage varies with time.